family. I'm Erica Akins here, owner of C2E Designs and Decor, along with my husband, Charles P. Akins Sr., and son, Charles P. Akins Jr. And for those who are new to this channel, welcome. As you all know, graduation season is here and it is in full effect. And by the way, congratulations to all the graduates, no matter your age. And also, this is such a significant milestone and achievement. So I hope that you are proud. And guess what? I may not know you personally, but I am very proud of you as well. And by the way, our son will be graduating from elementary school. So you know, we have to come through and decorate for him for his graduation. So that's what I'll be doing in this video, just showing you a few great finds that I have purchased in preparation for his graduation. So this is a graduation themed finds that I found on Amazon and a few other vendors. So I'm so excited to show you what I found, and I hope that it's something that will be helpful for you if you are in need of finding decorations, or if you're interested in doing a few DIY projects yourself. Everything that I have purchased will be included in the description of this video. So I'll have all the links and all the information that you need. All right, so let's get started. Now, this first item that I found is a personalized graduation wooden plaque I found on Amazon, and the vendor is Embro Glow Store, the Embro Glow Store. This is a customizable option. They have so many options as far as the colors are concerned. They have also the size, and the sizes, they come in 3-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. This here is approximately 8 inches. Not including the exterior, but anyways, not to go into too great of a length of detail. As my son, he always makes fun of me calling me details. A few other customizable options also are, you can include the name, which I have my son's name, Charles, the year, which he'll be graduating in 2026. The color, which is one of his favorite colors, is navy blue, Cowboys blue. Anyway, I had to put that in there. Go Cowboys. And also, I wish I would have gotten a larger size, and the advertisement on Amazon sometimes can be very misleading. They have a much larger size. So when you do purchase this, just ensure that you double check and you measure the size that you really truly would like. This is fairly small, but this is still a great find, because even after using this and incorporating this into the decor, he will still be able to use this as a keepsake for later on. So this is great to have. Also, which I really didn't like, the vendor also tax on a $7.95 delivery fee. Like, it's not expensive as it is nowadays, but I didn't really like that either. So in my honest opinion, I will not be using this vendor again. But again, I just thought it would be nice to still show you this, because again, this is something that you will be able to keep for a lifetime. Also, I forgot to mention, one of the customizable options is the style. So this particular style, sorry, this is upside down. This particular style is style 01. So again, there are other various styles that you can choose from. The next item that I have on this is my son's school mascot. His name is Rory the tiger. And I made this, and the same vendor I use for the actual printout is Custom Poster Prints. I used them previously for the last few projects that I have done. Now, as far as the foam board is concerned, I already had foam board, and the foam board itself and the size of this is 20 by 30 inches. So again, fortunately, I didn't have to pay for any more foam board because the foam board I did have came in a pack of 10. So I've actually used a few, and I have maybe like 2 or 3 left over. So this Custom Poster Print Factory, you have the option of selecting matte or gloss finished. For me, I used gloss finish. I particularly like this. Also, I did do a DIY video, so look forward to that coming out so you can see how I completed this DIY project. Right, Rory? I'm about to call him Lori. Right, Rory? Right. Anyway, now on to the next item. Next up I have is a 3-foot grad marquee letters, and you have to assemble it, but it's supposed to be, you're supposed to be able to assemble it feasibly. Now, I haven't assembled it yet, but I know it's going to be easy because I have used the DIY marquee numbers previously in a few previous projects that I did. This also comes pre-strung, as you can see, but batteries are not included. So if you plan on using the light fixtures or the lights that come with this marquee lettering, and by the way, the marquee letters are G, R, A, and D. That spells what? Grad. But anyway, for the batteries, the battery size is AA batteries. So the vendor here is the Yenuo store, Yeenuo store, and that I also found on Amazon. So, you know, this is really great because this is something that when you're finished with it, you can disassemble it and reuse it again for another time, for maybe another graduation party, or even back to school, which will be what, August, September timeframe. So once you're finished with it, you can just put it away somewhere in your closet, in your inventory. All right, family. So next up I have is this arch backdrop cover. It's spandex fitted, and it's a notebook cover. This particularly is 7.2 feet. They do have other size options such as 6 feet or 6.6 feet, but this is particularly 7.2 feet. And this also is great to have, and it's a great something that you will be able to utilize again, maybe for another graduation or back to school or any school themed setup. What else did I want to say about this? And I also wanted to mention that the vendor here is the Vital Cozy store, also found on Amazon. All right, family, I just have 2 more items to show you. Next up is this round backdrop cover. It's for class of 2026. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, class of, and I don't know if you can see the 2026, the 2, yeah, there you go. And you know, these items, they come so wrinkled, so I would recommend ironing and or steaming because you don't want those wrinkles showing up in your photos or your videos. This is just utterly ridiculous. But anyways, this also comes in a variety of sizes. This particular size for the round backdrop I have is for 5.5 feet diameter. They also the sizes they range between 3 feet all the way to 7 feet in diameter, but this is particularly 5.5 feet in diameter. The vendor here is something else I cannot pronounce, but I'll just spell it out for you. It's OERJU store. This also is found on Amazon. All right, family, I have one more item to show you, and this is a custom life-size photo. And I just wanted to show you the pre-packaging and show you what they do. I've used this vendor before. I've used them for my husband's birthday. It's sticky wall vinyl. It's a vendor on Etsy. They're located in Orlando, Florida, and they do such a wonderful job. You could see the details of the colors in the printout itself. They use Coroplast, so it's very sturdy. And again, the packaging that they have, how it comes so nicely packaged, so by the time it's shipped to you, it's still intact. I love that about them. They also give a few options for the size. This size I have is particularly 6 feet tall, 4 feet wide. I've used the same sizing for my husband's birthday. Also, you have the option of having a round arch versus a square, but the shape that I selected for this photo of my son is squared. Now, I'm not going to show you his photo just yet, so you are going to have to wait and see the final outcome after we finish decorating the setup, the display. So again, that's all I have. Again, if you have any questions, you can always email us. Our email is info@c2edesigns.com. And our website is www.c2edesigns.net. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you online again. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. And again, congratulations to all the graduates. God bless you. Bye-bye. This is dedicated to all the graduates. For every mountain you brought me over, for every trial you seen me through, for every blessing, hallelujah, for this I give you praise. Congratulations, graduates.